Hi, brother. This is the first taste of the chapter name called The Earth in the Solar System. This is the geography first chapter of class 6th. Let's begin the solution over here. First question is saying that the stars are not visible during the day because sunlight is very bright, so we can't see stars in the daytime, as well as moons, as well as Mars, as well as what I can say, Venus, Jupiter, those things which can be possible by the telescope in the night time, but we can't see by the telescope in the daytime if the day is very scorching. Which is the nearest star to the earth? Here is the sun is the only star over here. The definition of a star is those objects who has their own heat as well as of their own light, so they are the stars. So moon is a satellite, Venus is a planet, so only a star over here, this option is sun, and the nearest star to the earth is answer is even though sun. Earth is the which nearest planet to the sun? Answer is third nearest planet to the sun. What is the largest planet in the solar system? It's a Jupiter. Venus, no. Venus is at second position, Mercury first position, Earth at third position, respectively to the Sun towards of it. What is the closest celestial body to our Earth? Okay, closest celestial body. That means celestial body are those that what we can see in our sky, like Sun, Moon, other planets, Jupiter, Mars, that any kind of thing that you seen in the sky, these are the celestial body. So the closest celestial body to the earth is moon, just because the distance between moon and earth is 3,84,400 kilometer. Remaining galaxies are very far. Planets, the planets between planets, the distance is so much in millions kilometer, and earth, which is a nonsense option. A huge system of stars is called galaxy. Okay. How many days does it take the earth to travel around the sun? Answer is 365 days, or the more accurate, 365 days 6 hours. Next question, a group of what forming various patterns is called constellation? Answer is moons. If you search on Google, you will get that a group of stars forming various pattern is called constellation. So here it is a wrong option over here of this questions. Asteroids are found between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. Asteroids is a belt which is present in between the Mars and Jupiter. The pole star indicates the direction to the north, and this is the fixed position of this pole star.